Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I decided to do the Bratz challenge. I know, I am super late. This is the Brat right here that I saw online. I also saw another picture, but the hair was down and I was like, I always wear my hair down. I wanted to do something different. I normally do not like wearing my hair all back. I always have to have like some sort of hair piece in the front, but for the sake of this video, and because I was actually able to get some like hair product to pull my hair up properly and not have baby hairs. I also wanted to mention that I used a new palette. This is the Lime Cry Venus XL. It's a new palette for me because I recently just purchased it. I wanted to give it a shot and I am loving it so far. Next week I will have a video with the swatches and the review on the palette. So stay tuned for that. This is not a talk through makeup tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the makeup look and what do you guys think about the Bratz challenge. Have you done it? Are you planning to do it? And please don't forget to thumbs this video up if you liked it. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye! you.